So welcome back everyone. As you can see, we're on top of the breeding loft right now, in front of the top loft. Yeah, and the only reason I'm here is because we have another race, but it doesn't involve the young birds this time, so I don't have to be down there. So yeah, let's go check what's going on. So as you can see, most of the hens are still here, pretty much all of them. We only basketed the old birds, the cockbirds again, just like in the weekend this Sunday. And obviously we didn't basket 636, which is still there, and then 611, which is down there, because they're 200k birds and they fly really well, so we don't want to lose them at the end of the season. But yeah, we're still waiting for these guys to arrive. They should arrive soon. So they're taking a really long time. I just had a phone call with someone and they said they had their first bird 10 minutes ago and then another one 8 minutes ago, and then they haven't got a single bird after that either. So, but yeah, we're still waiting for the first one. Oh, that's the first birds I actually saw just now. Okay, they might actually arrive soon. We'll see. But yeah, I don't know why the weather isn't that bad. A little bit of headwind, but not like last weekend. Here's one now, two actually. Go. Here they come. Yeah, of course they don't land on the bed straight. Go. Yeah, that's gonna be very pain. Go. Yeah, and they have hens sitting right there waiting for them. Yeah, there one goes. Not even the ones I was expecting. Oh, here's another one. That's the old guy. 833. Yeah, by the way they're sitting on the roof, you can tell that they don't actually, they aren't keen to be home. So Alea, come. He just got scared of something. Come. There he goes. Oh, I still have to open up this. So they can sit with their hand. So I didn't actually see which one was first, but it was either the Czech or the mealy. Let's go see at what time they arrived. Okay, so there's 3 on there, so they all chipped. 6:15, and that's the mealy, and that's the Czech. The first one's a Czech, and 833. Okay, it took quite a while, but yeah, we have 7 birds in the race, so we got 3 home right now. We're still missing the older mealy. And then a black one for sure, 650, and the other Czech, but he has to go because he isn't a good bird. But yeah, so I just saw the next one. I thought, oh yeah, here he is. Which one is it? Well, that's the one that looks like 611 but isn't. Oh, okay. Maybe he'll land straight on the pad now. Yeah, he should. That's better. He's quite tired. So yeah, that's 4 out of 7. Let's go take a look. Oops. Yeah, that's 56. So the first 2 birds were at 44 past 1, and then the blue bar at 45, and then this one 51. And yeah, look at that flock of birds. I don't know what they're up to. Might be young birds loft training. That's how young birds should loft train, but yeah, ours never do that, unfortunately. So while we're waiting for the other 3, I decided we might as well do an update in here. Let's close this up. So yeah, we don't have any hens racing yet. We will be maybe the coming week or the week after. Because most of them, as you can see, have laid 1 egg, so they should lay their 2nd egg soon. You don't want to basket them and then they lay their egg in the basket. That would be a little bit of a waste. Yeah, you might see a new addition to this loft, which is this guy. Another hen actually passed away. The hen that was paired up to the mealy, I don't know where. Yeah, he should be in there, but yeah, he should be up there. And the mealy is in there usually. And yeah, the hen was just, Jesus Christ, stop it. The hen was just laying on the, yeah, that's why you should be down here. So yeah, that's the mealy's box, and then we're trying to pairing up with this guy, or this little hen. That's actually a half grizzle and half ace pigeon strain. Yeah, so the other hen was just lying on that nest dead. I don't know what happened. I just heard a bird outside. Oh, speaking of the devil, he just arrived. There he is. So that's the mealy we're trying to pair her up with, because his hen actually passed away on the nest. Not sure what was wrong with her, but yeah, can only do one thing, and that's trying to pair them up together. Oh, what? How is this guy home? Did he just arrive without me noticing, or was he home the entire time? I thought he... Yeah, I'll have to check. He should have been in the race. Oh, I just missed 2 birds. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the grizzle, and that's the mealy. I just didn't even realize. Maybe you can hear it on the video when they arrive. I did hear the mealy, but the other one arrived before it. So yeah, now we're still missing 1, and that's the black guy from the ace pigeon strain down there. So yeah, don't think I'm gonna wait for him, because I still have work to do. So yeah, you'll have to see the results.